black coffee, dashboard saints all chipped. Miles smeared past the glass, another way station ghost in the mist. Sleepless radio talk, same old roadkill jokes. I chase white lines like lost confessions, praying the brakes still hold. Life of a truck driver, diesel in my teeth. Life of a truck driver, trading days for heat. Rolling, rolling till the wheels turn me to smoke. Life of a truck driver, born to haul this heavy load. Grease on my jeans, her picture on the dash. Kids growing tall without my boots. I count their age and